What up, great people? It's your favorite rope guy here, Lawrence from LOfitnez, and today I'll show you how to chain 100 skips at ease. If you're new to this channel and you want to learn how to jump rope, be motivated while you work out to be fit, hit that subscribe button and turn on notification. I'm making this video now to buttress the previous video I shared on tips on how to chain your first 100 skips at ease for beginners and returnees who have dropped their jump rope for a very long time. So if you remember the tips from that video, the first one being easing the tension or relaxing your upper body while you do the move, mixing your footwork while you do the move for a better flow, and also maintaining a slow and steady rhythm for yourself to actually catch up. Then as you practice with time, you kind of increase your speed to beat time. So I'll be linking up that video here for you to go check out, and also in the description for you to go check out. So let's get on to it, guys. Ten, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, So that was 100 skips change for you guys. If you find any part of this whole thing kind of difficult, let us know in the comment section, or if you have seen that tips, let us know what you are working on right now in the comment section. This brings us to the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you like it, give us a thumbs up. Share it with your friends who are still battling with chaining 100 skips as a beginner. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, please do so and turn on notifications so that you don't miss our lovely content. Until next time, guys, remain beautiful, handsome, be fit, and most importantly, stay healthy. Take care of yourself, guys. Enjoy.